Hello everyone. Today we are combining the if and the and function to make them even more powerful than they are on their own. And the way we're going to do that is by putting the and function as the first argument of the if function. But before all that, we're going to go over what we're doing today, and that's determining whether these five individuals earn a bonus or not. And the criteria for that is if they have sold 50,000 or more than $50,000 worth and have made 10 plus sales. So like I was saying, the first thing we're going to do is type in our if function, hit tab, and we'll see that this logical test argument is exactly what we're going to be using for the and function. So we're going to type in our and function, and now we have just the logical arguments that every and function needs. So in this case, we have if Jason, which is, well, has sold $40,000 worth, if Jason has sold more than $50,000 worth. So if cell B5 is greater than $50,000. And then we also need to know if Jason made 10 or more sales. So if cell C5 is greater than or equal to 10. So I will close my parenthesis, and I will do it for the and function. I will hit my comma, and we'll see that now we're moved on to this value if true argument. So our and function has become the logical test argument. So for the value if true, it's just what returns if this is true. And so I want it to return the word bonus. And I'll hit comma, and now value of false, what do I want to have happen if it is false, if they don't earn a bonus. So I will just type in this dash. And now I will close my parenthesis, and I will hit enter. And so we'll see that a dash comes up because that's what I put in if Jason doesn't earn a bonus, because even though Jason made 10 sales, he didn't hit the $50,000 threshold. So what I'm going to do is flash fill this all the way down to Sarah, and it's not working. I'm clicking on it. There we go. So the bonus right here that Craig earned was because he was over the $50,000 threshold here and has made 10 or more sales, as 11 is obviously greater than 10. So that's how you use the if and the and function together. Obviously, you can change this situationally, but if you're interested in learning more about beginner, intermediate, or expert Excel functions, I've got a series on all three of those. And as always, thank you for watching.